like 2 towels, please?
2 towels?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good morning.
You too.
Thank you. Volcano Bay Day. I don't know like where it drops you off. I don't know if it drops you
I
off.
don't know anything.
Yeah.
We're going to be the perfect example of people that come down here to stay at hotels and go to a place that we don't really know anything about.
Yeah.
See how long it takes.
It just feels weird to be here and not know where anything is or what's going on, because when we come to Disney, we know where everything is and how to get there and how long it takes and how not to do it. It will be a learning experience for us. Starting with the bus system.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Do we get the buses out here?
Yes. So on the other side of the trailer here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
My pleasure.
This is where you get the bus for Volcano Bay. Are you ready to have a great day at Volcano Bay? Bye. Thank you. We're moving. We got our tickets. Thank you.
Visit a slide totem to put me in a line.
Okay. Yeah.
Morning, welcome to Volcano Bay. You have made it, yes. Have a wonderful day, Volcano Bay.
We're gonna get a locker here near the Waturi Marketplace. Nice little gift shop. Billabong, Reef.
You can pay for any of the green lights available.
Hey, babe.
The cash kiosk.
$16.
$16 for a locker. Wow. How big's the locker?
Humongous.
That is the line for the trapdoor tube slide. We're gonna have tacos for lunch.
Little froggies.
We're going to the Frog Hut. Definitely not looking for like a burger or your typical theme park food. So tacos will be awesome.
The feasting frog.
Feasting Frog. Steak tacos.
Guacamole, shredded lettuce, queso fresco, and cilantro.
Thank you. All right, so we got the loaded nachos for $8.99. Got some jalapenos, nacho cheese, tortilla chips, chili. Then we got the steak tacos, flank steak, cilantro, taco sauce, and plantain chips. theme park food. Props to Universal for changing it up a little bit. There's a lot of food options. I saw a place that had salads, jerk shrimp mac and cheese. We might end up trying that before we leave today. We'll see how the day goes. How were your loaded chili cheese nachos?
They're fine. I like making my own nachos. Not a lot of love goes into these. It's fine. It's exactly what I expected. Quick nacho chips, not like they're handmade. Bunch of yellow cheese sauce on them, and a little bit of chili, and some jalapenos and sour cream. Might have got fish.
Yeah, I also would have gotten fish, but there was just chicken and steak.
Yeah, that's fine.
Good lunch.
Figure out how these work. Lizard!
Look at him. What's going on? It's an aggressive, lazy river. That's a good way to...
It's not so lazy.
No, not at all. There are two rivers here. There's a lazy river, standard tubes, relaxation, you know, calm waters. And then there's the fearless river where everyone has to wear a life vest. And
I don't think there's tubes even allowed in that.
There's no tubes allowed. It's just
strictly that.
Full on life vest, heading through the water with rapids, and I'm excited to ride it. Feeling fearless?
Slowly entering, starting to become feared.
I feel fearful.
Oh my gosh.
I feel like my life vest is trying to kill me. My life vest is trying to swallow me whole.
Where are you going?
Come back! We're gonna run into it. Oh my People are running into me! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It is very busy right there. So this entry point is the best entry point to access the Fearless River because there's ample life vests on this side, that side, easy entry, not as busy, wide opening. Definitely recommend getting into the river here. So before we got in the Fearless River, we queued up with our tapus to ride Krakatoa, the water roller coaster. It was a 70-minute wait with our tapu, and now it's 40. So now that we've done the Fearless River, we're gonna do the Lazy River. We just have to figure out where it is. Off our GoPro, and then we can ride. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
I can barely.
From all the water falling down.
Yeah.
So it starts all the way up there, and it's a capsule drop slide, 125 feet. So what was the slide like? Disorienting?
Yeah, does that sound right?
Whatever this is very busy, and you should not eat here. There, look, pizza.
Coconut curry chicken, mango, barbecue, pulled pork or something.
Wow, yeah, this is a very busy eating location.
Pork sandwich, yeah. Barbecue, pizza.
It's because it's right next to the main pool area. Was 105 minutes for Krakatoa, and we've been counting that down with a couple cold beverages from one of the beach bars. Our beachside cocktail cocktails were $12 and they came in a souvenir glass. If we want to get a refill, it'll be $10, so you get a $2 discount with the souvenir mug for a refill. 5 minutes to go. Take you back to the locker. The beach is busy. If you want a beach chair on the beach, you need to get here early.
Did you have a great day at Volcano Bay?
I think we rode almost everything. 1, 2.
We had a great day at Volcano Bay.
Now what are we gonna do?
Go back to the hotel.